Christmas is here. On this special day, a year ago, the largest and most powerful telescope started its journey. The James Webb Space Telescope.
And we have engine start. And liftoff. Decollage, liftoff from a tropical rainforest to the edge of time itself. James Webb begins a voyage back to the birth of the universe.
This telescope has achieved a new feat and surprised scientists by sending the most beautiful and detailed pictures of galaxies, nebulae, planets, and much more.
James Webb Telescope is placed at Lagrange Point 2. This location is perfect for Webb's sunshield to block out light and heat from the Sun, Earth, and Moon. Unlike the Hubble Space Telescope, Webb's orbit keeps the spacecraft out of the Earth's shadow, making L2 a thermally stable location for the observatory to operate at. Stay with me through the video to witness the fascinating images taken by James Webb Space Telescope from July to December of the year 2022. Come, let's begin the journey.
First deep field of thousands of galaxies. Galaxy clusters max 0723 with thousands of galaxies flood in this near-infrared image. This is about 4 billion light-years from Earth. The combined mass of the galaxies and dark matter act as a cosmic telescope, creating magnified, contorted, and sometimes mirrored images of individual galaxies. High-resolution imaging from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope combined with a natural effect known as gravitational lensing made this finely detailed image possible. Carina Nebula. Captured in infrared light by the near-infrared camera on NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, this image reveals previously obscured areas of star-forming region NGC 3324 in the Carina Nebula. This is roughly 7,600 light-years away.
Stephan's Quintet. The visual grouping of 5 galaxies was captured by Webb's near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instrument. This enormous mosaic of Stephan's Quintet is the largest image to date from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, covering about 1/5 of the Moon's diameter. Stephan's Quintet is 290 million light-years away from Earth.
The Southern Ring Nebula. The left-hand image is in near-infrared camera, and the right-hand image is in mid-infrared camera from NASA's Webb Telescope instruments. This nebula is formed when a star, during the last stages of its evolution before becoming a white dwarf, expels a vast luminous envelope of ionized gas into the surrounding interstellar space. Its distance from Earth is estimated at about 2,000 light-years.
The Phantom Galaxy, also known as Messier 74, is a large spiral galaxy in the equatorial constellation Pisces. It is about 32 million light-years away from Earth. The galaxy contains 2 clearly defined spiral arms and is therefore used as an archetypal example of a grand design spiral galaxy. Webb's mid-infrared instrument captured the raw data.
The Cartwheel Galaxy. This galaxy formed as the result of a high-speed collision that occurred about 400 million years ago. The Cartwheel is composed of 2 rings, a bright inner ring and a colorful outer ring. Both rings expand outward from the center of the collision like shock waves. This image of the Cartwheel and its companion galaxies is a composite from Webb's near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instrument, which reveals details that are difficult to see in the individual images alone.
Jupiter from 3 filters. Jupiter is a world of extremes, with mammoth storms, super fast winds and unbelievably cold temperatures. Webb is capturing the stunning details of our solar system's largest planet with near-infrared cameras' 3 specialized infrared filters. The longest wavelengths appear more red, and the shortest wavelengths look blue. This picture is a composite from all the filters. The Great Red Spot, Jupiter's hallmark storm that's larger than Earth, appears white here, because, like the clouds in the picture, it is high altitude and reflects a lot of sunlight.
Heart of the Phantom Galaxy. Here comes again the detailed image of heart of the phantom galaxy. The view highlights star cluster at the core, using Webb's mid-infrared instrument. Astronomers have called the galaxy a perfect spiral because of its symmetry. M74 lacks gas in the nuclear region at the center, clearing the way for a better view of the nuclear star cluster there.
The first exoplanet. Webb has captured its first direct image of a planet outside of our solar system. Seen here as 4 images is a gas giant named HIP 65426b. It's 6 to 12 times the mass of Jupiter, and only 15 to 20 million years old. Our own home is 4.5 billion years old by comparison. Webb's near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instruments depict the young gas giant at different wavelengths of infrared light. The white star is the location of the host star. Because Webb can use coronagraphs to block ultra-bright starlight, so we can see this planet.